G'day folks, well, I'm down here at the old drill press again, and sadly it's not going to be here at the end of the day. It'll be on its way to China to get turned into crap. Unfortunately I can't afford it or even move it. I haven't been able to find anyone else who does, so she's a goner. And what I've decided to do is pull this flat pulley off so that I can use it on my international engine. I should have the right size bore, or very close. If not, I'll remachine the bore on it. I might try and get a motor off as well, but they don't want me picking too much off it. I've also got the little oilers and things out. Got the porta power out to try and force this pulley off. Should be interesting. I've already tried heat and beat technique, but I'll try porta power. And unfortunately the threads on this base are pretty crushed. I can't use it on the porta power. Got a round one. Just going to try and brace it in with these and get in underneath. It's nearly there. Just use the porta power to assist in pushing it off. Bit of heat as well. Unfortunately it's leaking a lot of oil too. Oh well. Junkyard porta power. That wasn't too bad. Very tight fit though. Just try and get that key out afterwards. I'll grab these shields too. They'll come in handy. Oh, the boss wanted the motors off too, so I did that. Unfortunately they're smashed, so I didn't bother keeping one of these. I've dropped the drill press on its back. 1460 RPMs, 3 phase, 415 volts, 50 hertz. Yeah, Siemens 366. I don't know what was on that one. Siemens Schuckert 380 volts. I kept the odd one out, which is a 1943 vintage Italian made motor made in Milano, so I'll do that one up. These two are too far gone. Oh well. Okay, well that's the third motor which I kept. Been banged up a bit, and I think it snapped one of the through bolts out, but I believe it'll be alright. Rotor's seized solid though. I think the bearings are filled up with water. Made by Morelli. There's a motor asynchrono triphase, so asynchronous 3-phase. Date 1943. Milano, Italy. Star winding and 220 volts AC. Not our Australian 415, so this may not have even been used over here, or it was on a transformer which has hit the ground pretty hard. I'll try and straighten all this out. New bearings, and that's the one that came off the compressor. It's a Century Electric 1 horse repulsion start induction run motor. That's another project that does work. Okay, well, I'm just cleaning up these data plates which I took off the drill press, and you can clearly see the Bosch logo stamped into both of them. So it's probably pretty sure this would have been the first factory or first owner of this machine would have been Bosch. Not sure whether it was in Germany or one of the early Australian facilities after the war, but this drill press has been owned by Bosch. So yeah, no way to really tell for sure just what the history of this drill was, unless maybe somebody's got a database of these part numbers or something, model serial numbers. One of the spindles must have been a high torque spindle, the one I took the drill off, or the pulley, sorry. This one's from the pulley spindle, and this one here applies for the other two spindles. One must have been for tapping, yeah, spindle number 1. Yeah, this was for the original one, and spindles 2 and 3 were these. I imagine two spindles were for drilling and countersinking, and the other one would be for tapping or something more precise. And that's one of the grease cups, Adolf Aldinger, Stuttgart, all brass. Some of the little oil cups, like a can't remember what you call these ones. Gits, like a Gits oiler. Worth a lot of money actually, that's why I grabbed them. So yeah, thanks for watching folks.